Billy is asking. Billy is an agency. All right, awesome. Thank you for joining us, Billy. So you're an agency advertising for a client. The business manager ID and ad account ID should be of the client's or mine. If you are talking about CPAS, okay? If you are talking about CPAS, my recommendation would be get the client to set up a new business manager and a new ad account, then use that to link it to the client. I mean to this CPAS, because if you want to, in the future, if you want to go through disconnection and connect back, it's gonna be hassle. And my suggestion, Billy, as an agency, right? We do not park our client's ad account under, I mean, as in we do not create our ad account for our client within our business manager. It is actually quite risky to them. I discussed about this in some case studies in my 6-day challenge. There are some pitfall or some loopholes that might potentially hurt your business if you do that. I'm not saying all clients are bad, but they are potential bad clients, right? So you don't want to put yourself in some nasty situation. But if you want to know what are the scenarios that I experienced, you can actually join the 6-day challenge where I will discuss about that on day 1 itself, right? So, okay, the rule of thumb here is best to use the client's business manager and ad account to set up the CPAS access. Now, for those who are new to CPAS, right, technically CPAS is a feature that you can get if you're selling on Shopee and Lazada and you have qualified yourself, like if you're a Shopee Mall seller, if you're a Preferred Plus seller or something like that, right? You'll be invited to join CPAS, whereby what Shopee and Lazada would do is they will create a Facebook catalog. I mean, as in like, they will create a product catalog of all your products in Shopee store and share that to your Facebook ad account. In turn, you'll be able to retarget people who visited your store or your product specifically but did not purchase for a specific period of time. So that will be a very powerful feature that you need, because technically we know that when we run ads to Facebook, especially if you're selling on marketplaces like Shopee and Lazada, you have a risk of, you have actually there's this disconnection whereby the moment people see your ad and click over to your Shopee store, you lost them. You don't even know whether they take any action after that. You don't even know whether they actually landed on that product or not. So that's the disconnection. But when you have CPAS, everything is off. But let me say this upfront. But a lot of people don't listen anyway, I understand. So you will keep asking me, I'll keep talking about this anyway. So you technically at this point of time, you can't actively apply for that. You have to be invited. But in certain countries, you can. I understand from one of my inner circle members, Alex says Thailand is easier to get, especially if you're selling on Shopee. But technically for other countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, at this point of time, as of we are making this video, you need to qualify to be invited. So yeah.